Love handles need a calorie deficit. Without oblique training, you'll just look deflated, same shape, flatter. Want a defined waist? Train core wall. 3 waist shrinking moves 99%. Do them wrong and widen it. Real fat loss secret. No gimmicks. No excuses. Third, Russian twists. Not Russian, just pain tough. They build oblique rotation strength for your waist. Sit, knees bent, lean back 45 degrees. Clasp, twist right left, weight 99% wrong. Your arms swinging, shoulders turn, abs sleep. That's fly swat, twist from waist, rotate chest, not arms. Slow, feel oblique, level up, lift feet, core balances, or you're a human wobble board. Skip counting, twist until sides burn. Stop if sloppy. Second, bicycle crunches. No bike your bike and engine, sadly. Why this move? 2 for 1 crunch, twist hits both obliques. Ab, lie back. Hands behind head. Alternate elbow to opposite knee. Pedaling. It's easy. Real issue. Stop yanking your head. Your neck's innocent. Use abs, not neck. Elbow, knee, relax. Slow down. Rushing isn't harder, it's flailing. Like arguing while pro. Pause each twist. Feel obliques tighten. Slower burns, better, fully extend leg. Don't half pedal. Fat won't leave. Skip counting. Pedal till abs burn. Brakes fail. First, dumbbell side bends seem easiest. Wrong form widens waist. Why this move? Targets obliques. Trims waist side. Grab medium weight dumbbell or jug, let it hang. Other hand goes behind head. Slowly bend toward the dumbbell. Then use opposite oblique to pull back upright. Lift counts. Most people err. Swinging 2 heavy dumbbells side to side is a pendulum. Weights cancel. Obliques idle. And grow thicker. Waist only. No leaning. Legs straight. Stance wide. Slow down. Feel it burn. Switch sides equally. Light weight. Reps. Sculpt till it burns. Stop when form slips. Before you go. Fat loss secret. Weekends kill progress. Not eating less. Mon-free. You diet. Make 2,000 calorie deficit. Weekend dinners and brunch erase it all. Scale stuck for months. Diet's fine. You slack weekends. Love handles shrink. Week. Rice do 3 moves.